Hey class, this will be an overview of lesson 2.6 about subtracting whole and decimal numbers. Most important part of this is to learn how to regroup wholes into parts. Alright, and looking at the problem, it looks like Puzzle Penguin did not regroup correctly. He regrouped this number here, the 4 tens, he regrouped that as 11 tenths. So that ended up with 8 and 18 and 34 hundredths. But he did not. What he should have done is he should have regrouped the 10 as 10 ones and the 10 ones as 10 tens, and then he would have ended up with 7 and 34 hundredths. So that was his mistake. Question number 3, simple strategy is to line up the decimal points and then subtract or compare the numbers. So you notice you don't have enough. If you're looking here in this column, you don't have enough hundredths, you don't have enough tenths, you don't have enough wholes, and you do have enough tens, so you need to regroup properly. So the way I like to do this is one at a time. So I regroup the 8 tenths as 7 tenths, and 10 tenths equals 10 hundredths, so 17 minus 9 is 8. So I go one place at a time. I don't have enough here, so I regroup one whole as 17 tenths. 17 minus 9 is 8. I don't have enough wholes now, so I regroup the tens as 10 wholes, so I end up with 4, and then I can subtract. I don't have enough hundreds, so I cannot regroup here or here or here, so I regroup one of those as 10 of those, one of those as 10 of those, one of those as 10 of those. So I end up with 10 hundredths, 16 hundredths minus 7 is 9 hundredths. 9 minus 0 is 9. That's a 0 there, 0 there, 0 there. 9 minus 0 is 9. 0 minus 0 is 0. So you end up with 99,934 and 88 hundredths. Just be careful with the regrouping. Alright, looking at problem number 9, it's very similar in that you have a larger number here and a larger number here. You have a decimal here and you have nothing here and here. So go ahead and add zeros there to hold the place values. 0 minus, just add them up. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. Make sure you put your decimal point. 3 and 8 is 1. Regroup the 3 and 8 is 11. Regroup the tens up there. 1 10, 3 10 is 4 tens. 4 and 100 is 400. 5 and 9,000 is 14,000. Regroup the 10,000 there. 1, 5 and 6 10,000 would be 13 10,000. Regroup the 100,000 there. 1, 5 and 1 is 700,000. So your sum should be 734,441 and 50 hundredths, or you could get rid of that and just say 5 tenths. Either one is fine. And the final problem here, you have 88 and 5 hundredths minus 35. You notice there's no decimal point here, so go ahead and add a decimal point and annex 2 zeros. Draw your columns and subtract. So 5 minus 0 is 5. 0 minus 0 is 0. Make sure you put your decimal point. 8 minus 5 is 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. So the difference should be 53 and 5 hundredths. And that's it. All done. You guys are rocking it. Make sure you're asking for help every time you need it. Send emails, to the teachers or ask us during our Zoom, and you will develop mastery. Thanks. Bye.